Hey guys, welcome back. I dynoed the car. It made some good, good amount of power on the LS turbo. I don't have a boost reference fuel pressure regulator, so that's one thing that I really need to improve on, but I have enough injector to make up for that right now. It's just compensating a lot. So I really need to get that taken care of sooner rather than later. And I have a radiator leak. It's not bad, it's just trickling right now, but there's probably some sludge in there that's made its way to the crack, and it's kind of stopped. It went from like a good stream to like a very light trickle. So I'm gonna do the right thing and just keep driving it every day. It's occurred to me recently that I have not fulfilled any promises about, doing brake stands and cool stuff. So now that the car is up and running, I'm gonna back into the garage, put my old tires and wheels on the back, and just kind of let her have it. It's a mess in here. It's packed. I have engine bits and pieces everywhere, from tractors to lawnmowers to small blocks. But I'm just gonna put these barriers here. That should definitely stop any sort of debris that's flying out of the tires, like rubber. Hopefully it will keep the back wall clean, because that was a mistake I had a while ago. Is I didn't cover anything up, and my tools and everything were just covered in rubber, and it was really hard to get off most of that stuff. So we'll get the car backed in over here, get these other tires and wheels on, and see if we can do a burnout in the garage. I'll probably have to put some water down on the back tires to initiate the spin, because last time I did try it, I almost I was facing the other way. I almost sent into that back wall over there. Yeah, whatever. All right, guys, that was definitely a success. It was pretty awesome, super easy to get the tires spinning. I put a little water on the tires, and they friggin' lit right up. I've had a couple of people already stop by and ask me if there was a fire in the garage. So maybe I'll give Hamden Fire Department a call and let them know it was just a garage burnout. I definitely don't want to waste any of their time. So yeah, all my neighbors probably think I'm crazy, but it was definitely a blast. I gotta go clean up the rubber in the garage, and I'll see you guys on the next video.